Hey guys, Mani Vaya here, founder of 2000books.com. In this video, I'm going to give you a really simple equation that explains how much output of work you're really creating. Really simple equation, and this idea comes from the book Deep Work by Cal Newport, who is a professor of computer science. Now, in my opinion, Deep Work is probably one of the greatest productivity books to have come out in the last few years. Let's talk about this idea. What is work? Work is equal to time multiplied by intensity of focus. Now, don't take it by face value, because intensity of focus is a function of time, of uninterrupted time you spend on something. So if you only spend 5 minutes on something, your intensity of focus is really bad in that situation. But if you spend like 30, 40, 50 minutes, an hour, 2 hours on something, your intensity of focus is really high. So the more time you spend, the more uninterrupted time you have on something, the more your work output is, the higher your work output is. So think about this. If you had, let's say 60 minutes of uninterrupted time, compare that to if you had 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, 15 minutes you work and then you check email, 15 minutes you work and then you check your Facebook, 15 minutes you work and then you check your phone, whatever that is, right? You had 4 15-minute chunks of time, or you had one 60-minute chunk of time. You are going to create a much larger output when you have one 60-minute chunk of time, because the intensity of focus will be much higher. Remember, intensity of focus is a function of uninterrupted time you spend on a task. So the higher the amount of time you spend on a task, the intensity of focus increases. So the equation, the work output, increases as a result of it. So if you have the option of taking 4 15-minute chunks of time or one 60-minute chunk of time, take the 60-minute chunk of time, do your work, carve out time for your deep work. That is the most important lesson you want to learn from this book. Now, here's the thing. Here's what happens. When you switch your attention back and forth between different tasks, you lose your focus. You lose your focus and you add to what is called attention residue. And that kills your productivity. So if you want to create something valuable in this world, if you want to do high quality work, you've got to work in large chunks of uninterrupted time. That's when your focus levels go up and your overall work output increases dramatically. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this idea. There's so many great ideas in this book. This is just one of the probably 50 other great ideas in this book. Amazing book, by the way. And I'm giving away 5 free copies to lucky winners this time around. So all you need to do in order to enter the giveaway is click on the link below, or click on 2000books.com/deep, or click on the I button in the top right corner of your screen. That's all. Go there, enter the giveaway, and that's it. By the way, if you want to increase your chances of winning the giveaway, make sure you refer it to your friends, because you get 3 extra entries for every friend who signs up for the giveaway. So that's a really easy way to make sure you win the book. All right.